Do you want to know how to delete a snap from memories in Snapchat? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do that in very few steps. So let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open the Snapchat app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you're gonna have to swipe up, then you'll see options like home, camera roll, AI snaps, stories, etc. Stay on home, then browse for the memory that you want to delete. Go ahead and long press on that snap, then a bunch of menu will appear from the bottom of your screen. Navigate your way to delete option, then tap on delete snap from your screen. Once you do that, you'll successfully delete a snap from memories in Snapchat. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.